What's happening, fam? Today I'm changing out that third brake light up there that I got from eBay that I installed in this truck over a year ago, and I'm replacing it with this one from Auxito right here. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so you guys see what we're working with in the intro. This is Auxito's smoked version of the third brake light for the 4th gen Rams for the 09 to 18 1500s and the 2010 to 2018 25 and 3500s. These lights are IP68 waterproof, and obviously I've been using LEDs in my daughter's car, my wife's minivan, my truck, my high beams, low beams. Auxito makes a fantastic product, and I got nothing bad to say about it. So Bill, thanks so much for sending me this, and we're about to show you the difference right here. So this product from eBay has seen better days. I can't remember if this was smoked or what, but it don't look smoked anymore, and the gasket has definitely gotten worn out. So guys, pretty much all you got to do is pretty much 2 Phillips head screws, take it out, unplug, plug this bad boy in, and that's it. Obviously this comes with a built-in resistor, so you don't get any codes on your dash. All right, so literally in 10 seconds the screws are out, and all I got to do now is unplug this harness right here, wipe down this surface area right here, take this gasket, stick it along the back of this housing, and just get ready to mount it. That's really it. Pretty much plug and play. So one thing I got to say, Auxito, they sent these screws with these nuts at the end. These are the brackets right here that the old screws screwed into, and the stock one I had from before. I don't know why Auxito is trying to reinvent the wheel by doing this, but this will be really, really difficult to screw in there. I don't even understand why. I don't get it. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the old screws. They fit. I'm going to use the old screws. I'll take the washer from the new screws, put it on here, and screw it in like that. All right, fam. The install is complete. Everything went perfectly without a hitch. This old one here, I actually had to add gasket to it when I did it a year ago, or a little bit more, because the gasket they sent was very, very thick, and it had a really weird space over here, but this one fit in perfect. As I said, I don't know what the hell Auxito was thinking with these screws and nuts. It's just, that doesn't even make sense to me. So I will be back later to test this out to see how bright it is when it lights up. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, even with a smoked lens, those spotlights, those bed lights are actually pretty damn bright. Let me hit the brake real quick. Check this out. This is in the daytime. Smoked lens. This is pretty damn bright. I'm definitely telling you, it was brighter than these that I bought from eBay a long time ago. Definitely bright. Guys, as I said, in the daytime, it's amazing to see on a smoke lens how bright it is. So imagine at night. So as I said, I'll be back later. You guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. Definitely check out Auxito. I'll have stuff in the links in the description so you can click on it, where to find this stuff. As I said, fantastic product. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, back at nighttime. Let's do some tests on that third brake light. Babe, hit the brakes for me. Release. Hit it again. Pretty damn bright. All right, release. Put on the bed lights. Yeah, that's pretty damn bright. It's nice and bright. Off. On. Yep, hit the brake with it. Yeah, Actually, it's a lot more visible than the one I had, and the one I had was bright, but this is actually brighter. Guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Everything is going to be in the description, and I will talk to you guys soon.